Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing a least discussed topic, that is, should we toothbrush after breakfast or before breakfast? There are two school of thoughts. There are some experts, they are saying that we should toothbrush before breakfast. There are some experts, they are saying that we should toothbrush after breakfast. But what you should do, that we will be discussing in this video. What I have read in our college days while I was doing BDS, it was recommended that we should toothbrush after breakfast. But nowadays I am seeing different controversies and different opinions. So I'll be clarify the matter completely and what you should do. Those who are claiming that you should toothbrush before breakfast, their concept is that while chewing some sugary food or while doing your breakfast, you are producing some acid inside your mouth. And if you immediately do your toothbrush, then actually you are brushing with your acid that you are producing while you are chewing the food. So it may cause enamel damage, it may erode the tooth material. In long term there will be some damage at your tooth because of the acid activity, and you are brushing mechanically with the bristles of the brush, and that bristles of the brush, they will take out some amount of tooth, as there is acid inside the mouth and tooth are soft at that time. So this is their concept. Now those experts who are saying that you should brush after breakfast, they are saying that if you toothbrush before breakfast, then after breakfast if you do normal rinsing, so the big particles of food will wash out, but the small particles of the food that will be stuck inside your mouth, in between two teeth, over the tongue, these small particles, that they will remain throughout the day and they will create acid, and that acid will remain longer duration of period inside your mouth and will slowly your tooth will decay with this acid activity. So this is the concept, their concept, those who are saying that you should toothbrush after breakfast. So what we should do, what is reasonable, what is correct? So in my knowledge and my recommendation is that rinse your mouth immediately after wake up with plain water, then take your breakfast, then again rinse your mouth thoroughly with plain water before toothbrushing. That will flush some acid if there is any, and after that toothbrush with normal toothpaste. Now my concept is that if there is some loss of tooth material, there is very minute or microscopical, I don't think that will create anything, and that amount of loss, that micromolecular level of loss will compensate with your toothpaste only. Your toothpaste is containing fluoride. All the toothpaste, most toothpastes are containing some form of fluoride, and that fluoride will remineralize if there is any loss of calcium or any minerals from your tooth. So this is the most reasonable and recommended technique for toothbrushing. You should toothbrush after breakfast. Thank you very much for patience listening.